Hi, my name is Dustin Osborne, Sales Manager from Elite Controls. Elite Controls is a UL 508A panel shop along with a systems integrator to help with mobile and industrial control panel needs. At Elite Controls, we work closely with our clients on a number of various applications and different environmental protection ratings needed for control panels. Today, we're going to review a few of those types along with different NEMA ratings common in the industry. First, we'll look at a freestanding version of the enclosure. This one here is a NEMA Type 12 enclosure, more commonly used in indoor applications. This enclosure here is a painted steel, modular style enclosure. On the inside, we'll show you. We actually have it in production right now, but you can see we have open panels on each side. And what that allows us to do is be able to stack these side to side and be able to make a much longer and wider enclosure. We also modified it to have a small cutout with a seal as well on this particular enclosure. So next we have a NEMA 3R enclosure. This here is a small wall mount version with the flanges on the top and bottom here. It's also got a latching style for locking mechanism and a continuous hinge here on the side. Meant for more indoor and outdoor use. A lot of applications utilize it both for light environmental conditions, both water, rain, and so forth. So next here is a NEMA 4 enclosure. This is a painted steel version of a wall mount enclosure. No flanges on the back side here, so it's a little bit different than the one beside it. But it also has a quarter turn latch, which is a little bit different than the standard latches here. The hinge is also different. It's a standard style hinge. This is just an example of an outdoor application for a motor starter panel. I've got e-stop buttons along with a disconnect handle here. Next, we'll hand it off to Carlos here to talk about some other enclosure types.
Hello, my name is Carlos Prieto. I'm a controls engineer here at ECI. This enclosure I have here is a NEMA 4X enclosure. In addition of having that solid and water ingression protection, it also has a corrosion protection. This one in particular is made of 316 stainless steel. This one has a continuous hinge and also this latching mechanism which allows you to place heavier components on the door. The following enclosure is a NEMA 7, NEMA 9 enclosure that is meant to be installed in hazardous locations. It is designed to contain an internal explosion without causing any external damage. This one in particular has bolts around the edges, and it also has a NEMA 4 rating to prevent water or solid ingress. When designing a control panel for hazardous location, you can either choose to use a NEMA 7 enclosure or use a NEMA 4 or 4X enclosure with hazardous rated components inside.
At Elite Controls, we work with most of the best-in-class enclosure manufacturers in the world. Our team of engineers can help with enclosure selection along with design of your control panel. Feel free to contact us today directly for any questions or help with your enclosure needs.